Next question. Show that function f r to r defined by f of x equals x plus 2 is a bijection. Also find f inverse of 4 and f inverse of x where x is more than equal to 2 less than 3. Okay, now first step, let us find the inverse. F of x, let us take x plus 2. F of x is nothing but y, x plus 2. Step 1, swap the x and y plus x, x plus y. Now transpose 2, x minus 2 equals y. When we find the y, this is nothing but f inverse of x. F inverse of x is nothing but x minus 2. So we found the x inverse, f inverse x. Now we should find f inverse of 4 value. So substitute x place 4 f inverse place. F inverse x place 4 you substitute. So x plus 4 means 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Now they are giving one condition, x condition, means for this inverse function x input should be more than 2 less than 3. See, more than 2 less than 3 or equal to 2 equal to 3, that also they are telling. Remember, x can be equal or x can be equal to 3. So x is equal to 2. When I will take the function f inverse of x is x minus 2. X plus 2, if I take 2 minus 2, 0. If x equals 3, what is f inverse of x? F inverse x is nothing but x minus 2. X plus I am taking 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So when the x value 2 and 3, what is f inverse x? So f inverse x value will be either it is equal to 0 or it is equal less than 1, means between these two. When x equals 2, what is the answer? 0. When x equals 3, what is the answer? 1. Between 2 and 3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, many things will be there, no? That value will be between 0 and 1. So f inverse of x value will be more than equal to 0, less than equal to 1, because f inverse 2 value 0, f inverse 3 value 1. Between 2 and 3, if you take any value in the place of x, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, your answer, f inverse of x answer will come between 0 to 1. That's why f inverse x value more than 0, less than 1, when x is more than 2, less than 1. Next question. If f is a function 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma minus 4, g is another function 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, 8 comma 5, means 4 is related with 5, 5 is related with 6, 6 is related with minus 4 in f function. G is 4 is related with minus 4, 6 related with 5, 8 also related with 5. This is G function. See, when we are discussing real functions, some real function to real function, we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, and we can divide. So here such type of questions are there. We are multiplying some constant, adding, squaring, subtracting, like that. Now how to find the answer for that? Before that, just remember two function f and g are real function. When you are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing them, you should take common domain of f function and f function and g function. Here both functions common we should take. D1 is a domain of f and D2 is domain of g. In this we should take only common domain. Okay, now let us come to here. F and g function, which are the element or common domain? 4 common, 6 common. So when you are combining f and g function, your domain should be 4 and 6, because these 4 and 6 are the common domain between f and g function. Okay, now the first question, 2f means to this f function, when you multiply 2, 4 related with 5, then 2 times of 5, 10, 2 times of 6, 2 times of minus 4. F function means you are getting 5, 6, minus 4. 2 times of f function. So you are getting 10, 12, minus 8. Okay. Because input is same. Only output will change because function is changing. F of x time you are getting this. Suppose 2 times of f of x means range only will change, domain won't change. Okay na? Don't multiply for 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay na? Domain will be still constant, only range will change because function is changing. Next, f square means f time 4, 5, 6, f square time also 4, 5, 6 is constant, it won't change. So 4 is related with 5 when f time. F square means 5 square 25, 6 square minus 4 square will become plus 16. Next, 2 plus f means for the function domain will be constant, 4, 5, 6. Normal function 4 means related with 5, 5 means 6, 6 means 4, minus 4. In this we need to add 2. When you add 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Next, fg means product. Now different functions we are multiplying, real functions. Now what are the common domain? 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Only those two we need to take, 4 and 6. Then we are multiplying. So 4 time range is 5. Yes or no? Here 4 time range is minus 4. 5 into minus 4. So 1 second. Sorry student, here 4 when domain is 4 range is 5, domain is 4 range is minus 4, so we should multiply. So 5 and minus 4 when you multiply you are getting minus 20. Now 6 range is minus 4, here range is 5. When you multiply these two, when for same domain 6, 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Okay na? Next, now f plus g means different real function we need to add. F function is here, g function is here, common domain is 4 and 6, so I am taking 4 and 6. What we supposed to do? We should add. Now when 4 means g function is minus 4, here in f function 4 means range will be 5, so 5 and minus 4 when you add you will get 1. In the 6th time here 5, here minus 4, when you add them you will get 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we need to subtract f minus g. Common domain is same, 4 and 6. Now we should subtract. F is 5 minus g, 5 minus When the domain is 4, what is the range? -4. That we should subtract. Minus into minus will become plus. So 5 plus 4, that is nothing but 9. Similarly, for 6, f function, the range is -4. Yes or no? -4. F function minus g function. So in the g function, for 6, answer is 5. So when you simplify this, you will get -9. So that -9. Next, 2 times of f plus 4 times of g. We have f function. Domain still remains same, 4, 5, 6 only. 2 times of f means for the function 5, 6 minus 4 we will get. When you multiply 2 for that, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are -8. Same way for 4 times of g. We know g function. G function is nothing but 4, 6, 8. That time -4 and 5. Okay. So when you take the same domain, you need g means -4 and 5. 4 times of g means multiply 4 to this range. -4 into 4 is -16. 5 into 4 is 20. Now we got 2f and 4g. Here common domain 4 and 6 we should take. This 2f and 4g we should add. Means 4 and 6 time. 4 time, what is the 2f function? That is 10. 4 time here 16. When you simplify this, you will get -6. See here, in 2f time, when domain is 4, what is the range? 10. In 4g time, when domain is 4, what is the range? -16. This we should add because we are doing addition. When you add these two, you will get -6. Now 6 time, because common domain 6. What is the 2f? When the domain is 6, what is the range in the 2f function? -8. Plus, when domain is 6, what is the range in the 4g function? That is 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. Similarly, we should divide f and g. So common domain is 4 and 6. What is range of f and g when domain is 4? See, in the f function range is 5. In g function range is -4. Sorry. So in the function f, domain is 4 means range is 5. In g function, domain is 4, range is -4. This 5 and -4 we need to divide. So when you divide that, you will get -5 by 4. Next, when the domain is 6, what is f function? When domain is 6, range is -4. So -4. In g function 6 time, range is 5. So 6 -4 by 5. Okay. Next. Yeah. Question number 9. Square root of f. Here we need to take f function 4, 5, 6. I took only 4 and 5. Sorry. Even 6 we need to take because only f we are doing. F function when the domain is 4, range is 5. Square root of f means this. For this range we should find the square root. Root 5 we don't have. Root 6 we don't have. Here square root of -4. Can you define? No, we cannot define. That's why this we should leave. Only these two order of pair we need to say. Understood? When you find the square root of 5, you will get answer square root of 6. We will get answer square root of minus 4. It is not defined. Next question. F minus g by g square. So two functions we are taking means common domain we should take. That is 4 and 6. First subtract f and g. Common domain. This is f function, this is g function. The common domain is 4, 4. When you subtract 5 and minus of minus 4 will become, see, f function minus g function. Common domain is 4. Range is 5. This minus this range minus of minus 4. So 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. Next, when domain is 6, range is minus 4. This minus 4 we should subtract. Here range is minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Okay. Now g square function we should find. G square, here also common domain f 4 and 6 only we should take, because we are doing this function with two different real functions. So now when g domain is 4 and 6, range is minus 4 and 5. Square this. Minus 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Now this function we should divide it by this. Domain, when domain is 4, what is the range? 9. Here 16. So 9 by 16. When the domain is 6, this f minus g function we should divide it by g square. So minus 9 by 25. Next question. If f of x equals x square, g of x equals 2x plus 1 are two real functions, then find f plus g of x. This we can write it as f of x, g of x. So what is f of x? X square. What is g of x? 2x plus 1. By looking this, we will get a square. This 1 I can write 1 square. This 2x I can write 2x into 1. Yes or no? See this step, I can write it as x square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 square. Step doesn't change. X square as it is. 1 square is 1. 2 into x into 1 is nothing but 2x. Now you look at this. A square, b square, 2ab. That is nothing but a plus b whole square. Therefore x plus 1 whole square. Okay, na? Next. Fx given, g of x given, f minus g of x we should find. This we can write it as f of x minus g of x. F of x is nothing but x square minus g of x is nothing but 2x plus 1. Remove the bracket. X square minus 2x minus 1. Next, fg of x product. This we can write as f of x into g of x. Here dot means into. F of x we know x square into g of x is nothing but 2x plus 1. Multiply. X square into 2x is 2x cube. X square into 1, it is x square. Okay. Here, question number 7. F of x equals x plus 2, g of x equals 2x plus 3, h of x equals 3x plus 4. We should find the following. The first one. Let me zoom this. F of g of h of x. This we can write it as f of g of h of x. What is h of x? 3x plus 4. H of x plus 3x plus 4. Now this entire thing you should assume as x in the g function. What is g function? 2x plus 3. 2x plus this entire thing we should take plus 3. Multiply. 2 3 is a 6x. 2 4 is a 8 plus 3. 6x 8 plus 3 is 11. This entire thing Now you should assume as x in the f function. What is f of x? X plus 2. So x means this entire thing plus 2. So 6x, 11 plus 2 is 13. Next question, f of g of h. See, first h of x we should take, x plus 3x plus 4. Now this you assume as x in the g function. What is g function? 2x plus 3. Yes or no? Take 2 into 3x plus 4. This is as x plus 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 plus 3. Add this, what you will get? 6x plus 11. This if you substitute to the f function, f of x is nothing but x plus 2. This entire thing is x plus 2. You will get 6x plus 13. Okay, no? Now f of g, no need, we can do directly instead of this. Next question, if f is a function R2R, g is another function R2R, are defined by f of x is 2x minus 3, g of x is x cube plus 5, then find f of g inverse x. Okay, first let us find f of g. G of x. So what is g of x? X cube plus 5. This you assume as x in the f function. What is f function? 2x minus 3. So 2 into x means x cube plus 5 minus 3 as it is. Multiply. 2x cube, 2 5s are 10 minus 3. Now 2x cube as it is, 10 minus 3 is 7. So I found f of g function. Here we may get doubt or some confusion. So what I am doing, this f of g I will consider as h. Okay. So let h is nothing but f of g. So h of x we function we know. Okay, now remember f of x is nothing but y I used to take, no? Similarly h of x is also nothing but y. That is nothing but 2x cube plus 7. Step 1. Swap the x and y. Y plus x plus y. Second step. Solve the y. Now transpose 7. X minus 7 equals 2y cube. Transpose 2. X minus 7 by 2 is y cube. Increase, that means raise the power 1 by 3 both sides. So x minus 7 whole power of 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 means 3 will be get cancelled. Y we got. What is y is nothing but h inverse now. F of x means y. When we find a y in terms of x, that is nothing but f inverse. No? Here h inverse we should take. Remember the last questions, means first and second questions, you may understand. So here h inverse of x is nothing but this y value, x minus 7 by 2 whole power of 1 by 3. But h means what I have considered, f of g. So h plus f of g inverse of x is nothing but x minus 7 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, now next question. Here the function f 1 comma 3 2 comma 5 3 comma 7, g is 3 comma 7 5 comma 9 7 comma 10. Then find GOF. Recall f is on function a to b, g is function b to c. When you combine these two functions, that is denoted by GOF, that is direct relation from a to c. Now a to c means domain will be 1 2 3 only. Remember, just you map these two, you will get answer directly. 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 5, 3 is related to 7. Now 3 related to 7, 5 is related to 5. 7 related to 10. So input is 1, 2, 3. Your output is 7, 9 and 10. So when input is 1, output is 7, 2, 9, 3, 10. So that is nothing but when you combine these two functions, that is denoted by GAF, their input is 1, 2, 3, output is 7, 9, 10. Next, f of x equals x plus 2, g of x equals 3x minus 1, h of x is 2x. For all x belongs to R, show that h of g of f equals h of g of f. It is associative property. It is satisfied, but let us check. But let me take LHS. H of g of f means f function I should take. What is f function? X plus 2. This you should substitute to the g function. What is g function? 3x minus 1. 3 into x means this x plus 2. Minus 1. 3 into x, 3 into 2, minus 1 as it is. 3x, 6 minus 1 is 5. This entire thing assume as x and substitute in the function h. So when you substitute to the h function, what is h function? 2x, 2 into x plus this 3x minus 5. 3 into 2, 6, 3 5 is 10. 6x plus 10. Now let us check the RHS. Yeah. We know fx, gx and hx. RHS is h of g of f. So you can do different way. Let me take h of g of f of x. Okay. Now what is f of x? X plus 2. Now h of g of this entire thing we should assume as x. For this h of g function. What is h of g function? Let us find. First g function we should take. G function is 3x minus 1. This we should substitute to the h function. What is h function? 2x. 2 into this. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. This is my h of g function. So h of g function means what? 6x minus 2. 6x means this what is here? X plus 2 we should assume as x. So half function is 6x minus 2. 6 into x. X plus you should take x plus 2 minus 2. 6 into x. 6 2s are minus 2. 6x 12 minus 2 10. Both LHS and RHS are same. Then h of g of f, h of g of f are equal. However you combine means however you make a group, the function value will be remains same.